looking forward for Physics 306 for Friday, the 27th of March, 2015. As you get ready for class tomorrow, I'd like you to read Units 6.1 and 6.2 out of the book. And I'd like you to think about the following couple questions. The first question is, imagine I have a Bohr atom, where I have an electron zipping around here, and I put in a magnetic field. What's going to happen to that electron? Will it feel a force? And if there's a force, what's that mean about its speed? And if I change its speed, what's that going to mean about its magnetic dipole moment? In other words, what are the effects that magnetic fields will have on individual atoms if they don't necessarily align them, but if we give them the opportunity to change the orbits of the atom, of the electrons in the atoms? Our second question, or for our second question, we'll go back to the idea of talking about electricity. If I have an electric field, that's going to lead to, we remember, some dipole moment, which led to a polarization. And that polarization was as a result of surface-bound charges and volume-bound charges. Now, in our case, if we apply some magnetic field, will that lead to a magnetic moment? Dipole moment. If it does, can we define a magnetization? And what would it look like? And if we can define a magnetization, will there be bound currents? Will there be bound surface currents? And will there be bound volume current densities? And what do they mean? And how do we use them? We'll talk about those things and more when we get together tomorrow. See you then.